All right, since I'm super juiced up right now. Okay, every dude on our channel is like, oh my god, 'cause I had a conversation with the other dude 5 minutes ago. It's like, oh my god, you're so juiced up. And let me also tell you something else. Okay, all right. So if you look at the short interest right here, right, the total short interest um didn't really change, right? But if you check it like maybe 5 or 6 minutes ago, you will see there's like a little shuffle here, okay? And then what's interesting here is about 53 minutes ago, there's 1.5 million shares available to short, and then half of it is already shorted, okay? So that means some people are doubling down on their short position. Why? Because we're panicking. And for those of you who are holding, you feed up to this. But that's great. That's great because due to the volatility here, right? When the stock price actually rapidly decreased in a very short period of time, for those people who want to double, it's like when you're trading options. Like the more volatility, the more expensive all of you are paying for buying options as a premium, right? The same thing happens when you're those people who are basically issuing options to sort of generally short the market, like because the effect works both ways. And if you look at the borrowing rate almost doubled from last night. Okay, that's all due to volatility. And for those hedge fund people who are actually trying to double that, they're actually cautiously thinking about it. Okay, uh, the shares right now. So if it was like 2 months ago or maybe a month ago, this is gonna be zero, guys. Like when there's share available, they're shorting. But right now, they're actually, because the ape community, what we did for the past week, they're actually rethinking about their perception on shorting. Essentially, we sort of changed the market outlook a little bit because they're really cautious. Because for those of you who take a profit right now, right? So for those of you who took a profit around, the massive selling point here is around like $55, $50, whatever, blah blah blah, going down, and a lot of people buy the dip actually around here, and then around here too. You see the volume here? You see the volume here? And for those of you who realize your profit, it's usually around like when your average price is like $6, $12, and then you have a massive amount of profit in your hands right now, right? So let's say like someone who have $1 million in holding, um, they probably made a huge amount of profit just by like realizing this amount of profit. And then where are they gonna put in that money? Some of you are gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna buy back in a dip. But I think a lot of people is gonna put it into the BB because BB is way cheaper and BB have a higher upside than AMC because BB is literally around like $15 right now. I haven't checked for the past like half an hour BB's price because I don't want to jinx myself. So and I think a lot of people is gonna reinvest their money into BB. And also, what is different from BB to AMC is BB actually landed a huge contract with Volvo. So its actual value of the company is actually higher than AMC right now, if you think about it. And its realized potential is higher than AMC, which means its maximum upside is going to be higher than AMC because its real value is higher than AMC, if that makes sense. And as far as I know about the CEO of BlackBerry, he's probably not going to issue out any shares out until the shares are around like $20. Okay. And if you look at the option saying last night for BB, there's not even any, put options over $25. Okay. And my prediction is BB might double. And we're going to take BB to the moon, dude. We're going to take BB to the moon. And for those of you who are still in GameStop, um, how do I say this is I don't see a higher upside for GameStop, but if you're in it, you're in it, and there's nothing I can say about it because I mean, again, guys, I am not a financial advisor, and I don't give financial advices. Okay, just because I'm really good at math and I'm Asian, and day trading and trading is my passion, and it's gonna be um you know my bread and butter, and this is what we're gonna do. This is the profession that I choose to do. Doesn't mean I'm always right, okay? But um, and also we just started this YouTube channel, and in the near future we're gonna have a lot of followers. and you're just starting to get to know me right now. Okay, I'm a little bit juice, and it's a heart to heart. You know, let's just say in the next 10 years, uh, I can be wrong 70% of the time, but 30% of the time I can be wrong, right? That's why I need you guys, okay? I need the community to grow so we can all do due diligence together. And, a lot of you are like, oh my God, I'm only just here for the short run. I just only care about AMC. All right. I mean, stick around, sub, and like, watch our content. Maybe some of our contents are a little bit too technical, but as we fade into a phase where we have more time to make videos, and we're better at editing, there's gonna be more these general videos for those of you who only cares about, oh, like, just tell me, right? Just tell me what do you think is gonna happen next. There's gonna be way more video out like that. And for those of you who just tune into my YouTube channel, maybe you're from like the big AMC streamers, my style is a little bit different from them. And I have maybe a better finance background than they do. So remember to drop the sub, smash the like button, and in the long run, you will know, I'm someone that you can follow for a long time. I'm not just here for, 1 week, make 120% profit on AMC in one day and I'm out. No, it's not. We're here for a long haul. We're here for a long time. And as you know, I'm going to make videos on oil futures, commodity futures, the general market in general, bond yields, and all these things. So remember, sub, like, and, you know, keep watching our videos, push that bell button, and who knows, man? I think I think we have a bright future here, okay?